Hello guys, welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. I am so excited to be back again. I have been away for a while working on some other projects, but I'm just happy to be back here with you this morning. Thank you guys. If I never remember to say it in the past, thank you guys for your continued support over the years.
Why, thank you.
Without you, I would not have been able to just keep this channel going, but you guys give me all the energy that I need to keep things afloat. And if you are new to the channel and haven't subscribed as yet, please consider subscribing to my channel below. This morning, I'm going to be sharing with you a simple Callaloo omelette recipe. And as you can see, I am out here in my backyard picking the Callaloos that will go into this delicious and tasty Callaloo omelette recipe. Now, for those of you who do not know what Callaloo is, it is a version of spinach. I think here in the US it is called amaranth, but in the Caribbean we call it Callaloo. If you cannot source Callaloo, it is perfectly okay to use spinach for this omelette. I also have some chives here or spring onions, and if you want to put those in your recipe, you can do so as well. So let's go inside and get started. That's it guys. Here's another simple, tasty and healthy recipe that you can eat on your keto diet. Meet all of your health requirements in terms of your nutrients and your fat intake and protein intake, and still get a tasty treat. This is especially good for people who just started the keto diet and are wondering, how am I going to keep up with this? Here's a recipe that you can follow with no trouble at all. So guys, try this at home in your own kitchen and let me know how it turned out for you. Until next time, walk good.